Hello. Welcome everybody. With greed hatred, the people would like to kick out the person continues coughing during the lecture, in the conference or around the sound meeting. It would be a reason of great pinch and a tweak to cough during the most important working time. But as you know, sometimes the cough, especially the dry cough, do not comes after giving the alarm. It comes very suddenly and you don't find what to do. How to control it in seconds. And what would be the ways to get rid of it without concerning to 100 lies away doctor. So, first, no such cough is known as dry cough, and it do have home remedy for dry cough which can give you immediate relief. 2 basic cough types. If we look at the most common types of coughs, then we will come to know that it has 2 major types, and these are productive cough, dry cough. Productive cough. It is the cough in which the person coughs for sake of relieving the phlegm or mucus from the body. It is called productive as it is nearly mandatory for the person to release these ingredients, phlegm and mucus, from the body through the cough. That is why it is productive. Dry cough. The dry cough is the non-productive type of cough which can be caused due to dry weather, some tickles at the backside of your throat, some dust around the environment, and due to some sort of allergies. Such a cough does not actually relieve any sort of mandatory ingredient, rather it such comes due to non-serious reason. So, the person should follow some home remedy for dry cough. Let us have a look over some of them. Take 1 tablespoon organic or honey and lemon for bacterial dry cough. The dry cough can be caused due to any sort of bacterial attack. So, this attack can have one of the excellent home remedy for dry cough of intake of 1 spoon of raw honey with lemon. You can't take it directly in its raw form. You can't take it at once, and you can keep on tasting it in bits. Soothe your airways and thin up your mucus with the help of licorice root tea. Licorice root tea is considered to be best for congestion of airways. It congests the airways by thinning up the mucus and by soothing the airways. The directions for its intake are somehow different. You will boil a cup of water, will add root of tea in it and let it for 15 minutes. After that, finish the whole cup salty water. The best solution. Another greatest and easiest home remedy for dry cough is simple drinking of salty water. It is a good solution as when the salt concentration gets higher in the outer areas of cells in the membrane of mucus, then the heavy salted water flows everything out to let them balance. Steam. An oldest solution. You can't take steam from the boiled water while keeping towel on your upper body, as well as you can take it from electric steamers. It is one of the oldest home remedy for dry cough. In case you liked the video, please share, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay fit, stay healthy.